Good evening, friends. Welcome to the post-market update. Nothing too much on the index front today, as the Nifty ended up around 20 points and the Sensex ended up around 60 points. On the global front too, European markets are trading quite flat as of now. Though there was a lot of stock-specific news that we saw today. For example, Educomp was up around 10% today as it managed to raise around $155 million to redeem its outstanding FCCBs. Further, there was a lot of action in aviation stocks today also, as aviation stocks like SpiceJet, Jet Airways and Kingfisher were up in the range of around 3 to 5% today, as there was news that the Civil Aviation Ministry will meet with the Finance Ministry to have talks to reduce the aviation turbine fuel taxes. Then, friends, we did see a lot of action in retail stocks today, as well as stocks like Pantaloon Retail, Provoke India and Shoppers Stop were up in the range of around 3% to 7% today. Then we did see a lot of action in cement stocks too, as ACC and Ambuja opened on gap down notes, but they did manage to recover quite well today, as ACC Ambuja both ended up around 2%. Initially in the morning, there were reports stating that that the CCI found certain cement companies guilty of cartelization and would slap a fine of around 8% of their average turnover of 3 times. But in spite of this news, we saw a smart movement, a smart bounce in these cement stocks, and stocks like ACC and Ambuja were up around 1 to 2% today. Coming to the sector point of view, the top gaining sectors for today were the metals and capital goods, whereas the top losing sectors for today were the IT and FMCG companies. The top gainers for today were Dr. Reddy, Sterlite, Tata Motors and ONGC, whereas the top losers for today were Coal India, ITC, TCS and Bharti. Friends, today, markets globally would be waiting for the statement by the Federal Reserve as they would be providing a statement at the end of its 2-day meeting that will end today. So any positive hint towards something like a QE, also the market would take that quite positively, and we could see a rally if such a statement would come in today. That's it from the post market update. Thank you and have a nice day.